and welcome to this Powernote training session. In our last video, we looked at some basic navigation skills in order to properly and efficiently navigate Powernote. In this video, we're going to look at how to include structured data into various paragraphs or sections of the note. So to get started, we've already got our note opened on our particular patient, and the areas that it's recommended to use the structured data are those that offer smart templates or the ability to include information from a flow sheet. So to demonstrate, I have our patient's Powernote open, and if I move down into the health status portion of the note, you'll notice where it says allergies with ST in parentheses. Everywhere in Powernote where you see ST in parentheses means that if you click on that particular term, there is a smart template built on the back side of that term that will automatically pull in that structured data for that element of the note. So if I click on allergies on this particular patient, you'll notice that it brings in no known allergies, which has been documented. To include medications in your note as part of health status, ensure that the chevrons or the two arrows are expanded, and you'll notice there is a smart template available within the current medication sentence. However, it is not recommended to use that particular smart template, as it will pull in all medications and all statuses that the patient may have had during their entire visit. Rather, the better course of action is to select Include Medication List. This will launch the medication list view, and it gives you the ability to review all the medications that are currently on that patient in the various statuses, such as ordered, completed, or discontinued. And if you want to place certain medications in your particular note, let's say in the case of a progress note, it gives you the ability to select a particular medication and click Include Selected to include that medication. If you're looking to include multiple medications without having to go through this process multiple times, you can press the Control button on your keyboard. While having that button depressed, it allows you to select multiple medications. Again, to include all of those medications inside of your note, choose Include Selected. If you were to choose Include Displayed, it would pull in all the medications that you currently have in this view. Once I choose Include Selected, those 4 medications are brought into my note. A little bit down, if I look at the Problems smart template and click on that item, it pulls in the active problems for that particular patient. Other areas where you want to look to include structured data is the vital signs within the physical exam. So you'll notice there's a smart template built there as well, and that's designed to include the last 24 hours of vital signs broken down into the last charted value, the minimum and maximum within that 24-hour period. If you need to include additional vital signs that the smart template does not automatically produce for you, you always have the ability to click on Vital Signs from Flowsheet, which will launch a flowsheet view. From within the flowsheet view, you have a variety of ways to select items to include in your note. For example, if you wanted to include all of the vital signs that were recorded at this particular date and time, you can select the column and it will pick all the values associated during that time. However, if you're looking to include just a specific value, you can single click on that particular value. Or if you're looking to grab a few individual values, you can use your Control key on your keyboard while left clicking those particular values. Everything that you see that is highlighted in black or that currently has the border will be included in your note once you select Include Selected. You'll notice once those items are selected, the date, the time, and the actual value that you have pulled in will all produce inside of the note. Within Review/Management, you have the ability to pull in labs via a smart template as well. That smart template will pull in the last 4 charted values for labs regardless of the time that they were taken. All values that are bold either were high or low given the reference range for that particular lab. So that is how we use smart templates to bring in structured data into Powernote. Feel free to check out additional training videos to gain further information on functionality, tips, and tricks inside of Powernote.